How can you copy the link of a Facebook page that you own or have created? Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, I'll show you the complete process in this video. First, open the Facebook app. At the top right, tap on the Pages option. Here, you'll see all the pages you own. Select the page you want to copy the link for. Once the page is open, tap on the three dots. You'll see the Copy Link option. Tap on it to copy the link. Now, open your browser and paste the link to check if it's working. As you can see, the page has successfully opened. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and check out more useful tips. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.